guys, what's up? If you're looking for some Halloween filters, you can get it from here. This is Halloween pumpkin. Let's go to the creator profile. Yeah, the first one. Okay, let's try the second one. Halloween hat. Okay, let's go to the creator profile. Okay, this one. The third one, this is the Hocus Pocus one. Let's go to her profile. The name is Fugly. Okay. Okay, this is the perfect Hocus Pocus one. Okay guys, you can go to their profile and you can get this filters, or you can get this filter from my highlights also. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.